China has recently launched DeepSeek AI, which is giving tough competition to ChatGPT. It is designed to write code, generate content, or even debug programs. And the best part? You can now run it locally on your computer. Here in this video, I'm going to guide you through the installation process and running it locally, so stay tuned. To run DeepSeek AI locally, we'll use Ollama, a framework that lets you easily manage and run large language models on your machine. Go to your Chrome browser and search for ollama.com. If you are not able to find the link, go to the description. I have provided link there. Download and install Ollama. To check whether Ollama is downloaded, go to the bottom. In the hidden icon section, you will find Ollama. Installation is quite simple. Just follow the on-screen instructions. Installation may take some time, just be patient. Here on Ollama, you will find the models. Ollama provides the platform for many applications to run locally. As you can see, different models are available. Click on the DeepSeek R1 model. DeepSeek R1 is the first generation of reasoning models with comparable performance to OpenAI O1. You will find models for different configurations here. The minimum is 1.5B and the maximum configuration is 671B. Though there are many options, I have selected the 1.5B model of DeepSeek R1. You can choose from any of these options. Now copy the code and run it on the command prompt. Now paste your command here and enter. Now it's pulling data, and after completing it 100%, it will show that the process is successful. You're now interacting with DeepSeek AI directly from your terminal. Ask it questions, generate code, or test its capabilities. It's all running on your machine. Here I have asked it to create a research paper on how AI will impact the world in the coming years. You can use the web UI of DeepSeek AI on your local machine as well. To do this, you'll need to install Python and the web UI. The installation process is straightforward, and I've included the link in the description for your convenience. Once everything is set up, you'll be able to run DeepSeek AI locally, just like you would on the official web page. As you can see, I've created a comparison to show how DeepSeek responds when running locally versus on the official web page. The local version offers the same powerful features, but with the added benefit of offline access and faster processing, depending on your machine's capabilities. This makes it a great option for users who want more control and flexibility. Additionally, running DeepSeek locally allows you to customize the environment to suit your specific needs. For example, you can integrate it with other tools or workflows, or even tweak the settings for better performance. It's also a great way to ensure data privacy, as everything runs on your machine without relying on external servers. If you're interested in trying it out, don't forget to check the link in the description for the setup guide. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions or need help with the installation process. And that's it. You've successfully set up DeepSeek AI locally using Ollama. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more AI and tech tutorials. Drop a comment below if you have any questions or suggestions for future videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.